We begin with Petunia hybrida. Recent molecular research highlights its critical role in examining plant stress tolerance and greenhouse pathogen profiling. Next, Tagetes erecta. Agroecological studies confirm that its root exudates and volatile compounds serve as natural pest control, effectively suppressing soil nematodes and harmful insects. Furthermore, current research focuses on extracting its dense carotenoids for sustainable industrial applications. Finally, we observe the vibrant fuchsia and star petunia. Modern horticultural biotechnology continuously explores these unique anthocyanin patterns to understand genetic expression and color stability. Recent genomic mapping isolates the exact regulatory pathways driving these intense fuchsia color variations. Thanks for watching and subscribe to Flora Scientia for more videos.